very funny. Right, should we do another one with them? They were good, weren't they? Can you keep your time though? Keep your time. Reese, particularly. Watch the conductor. What about the crowd and the cars on the pitch? Do they want to join in with this as well? If you want to, jump into your cars, get your hunters ready, and we're going to sing Always Look on the Bright Side of Life. Beep beep, beep beep, beep beep, beep beep. Okay, see how you go with that one. Join in the field. This is Brian.
Some things in life are bad, they could really make you mad. Other things just make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life's bristle, don't grumble, give a whistle. This'll help things turn out for the best. Might be jolly rotten to something you've forgotten, and not go off and smile and dance and sing.
When you're feeling in the dump, don't be singing. Partially in the sun, and always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life.
Life is quite absurd, and just to find a word, you must always take the burden with a bow.
Forget about the sin and the orders. Join in your first chance anyhow. Always look on the bright side of death. Just before that draws the terminal breath. Life is like a bird, and that's the final word. It's about the death that will be true. You'll see it's all a show. Keep on riding as you go. Remember that the last month is on you.
We'll be back in half an hour doing more fun and games. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you to the Knots About Minis Club for bringing their beautiful cars down and for being such great sports. That was fabulous. Well done. Perfectly in time. You can join in quite any time. See you in a little while. Decided. This is Stuart. How goes the way, Stuart? What's your car, mate? A 998 Mini. What's the next one, Reece? Another 998. What's this one here? There's a 998, 3 998s. Can anybody work what that is together? Probably less than some of these cars, I imagine. But they've got absolutely special sounds with them. Can we just hear what they can do, please? Beautiful, beautiful. Now, this has never been done before, so please get your camera phones out and make this go viral. Okay, Carlton Melbourne's Choir and Knots About Mini, Classic Mini Club. If you want to see the rest of the club, we're up the hill towards the house. There's some lovely vehicles up here. These 3 lovely cars have come to do this with us. So we're just going to have some bit of fun. We've never done this before. This is called the Blue Danube Waltz, Cute Danube. And this is Roger Holland, our accompanist. Give Roger a round of applause. The sounds he makes are very similar to the ones to the other side of the stage. There we go, perfect. So we'd like you to sing along as well. Okay, and the big minis are going to be conducted. And we just have a little bit of a fix here. Typical minis. I've got a nickname for mine. It begins with a D and ends with D. Typical, eh? We'll just get our spanners out. This is Andy, he's the treasurer and social secretary of the Knots About Mini Club. Andy's a general bit of fixing cars. He wants a hammer, if anybody's got a hammer. Are they going to work, ladies and gents? Bruce, are you somewhere near? 1 second, he says. Give them a round of applause, these beautiful 3 minutes. Who are these ladies that are in this one? Oh, hello there. He's literally hitting it with something. I'll tell you what, you can flash your lights with it as well if you want. Will you all shout beep beep as well? Help them along? Here we go then.